beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Jimmy, and today guys I want to show you a really quick way of making the Nigerian vegetable soup, aka eforiro. So guys, with this soup you can literally have any dish with it. You can have rice, you can have your solids like pounded yam, fufu, whatever you want, and also you can have boiled or fried plantain with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you my ingredients for today guys. So starting up, I've got my Hero locust beans, I've got my mackerel, smoked mackerel, I've got palm oil, salt, I have got Maggi and Knorr. Also, guys, I have crayfish stock powder. That's my pepper with loads of onions, and that's my boiled meat. I've got all sorts in that bowl, and that's my crayfish, my ground crayfish, and I've got obviously the vegetable itself over there. For this, I'll be using spinach. So next, I'm just going to turn the heat on and make my pot a little bit hot before I turn in the palm oil. And that's my palm oil in the pot, and I'm just going to cover that up for a bit. The main reason why I'm covering that up is just basically not to trigger my smoke alarm. We don't want any um, fire, or I don't want to start panicking while cooking, really. So just be safe. And I just keep going back and forth, checking if the oil is as hot as I would like for it to be. And at this point, I think I'm happy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my pepper in. Also, I don't know if you guys have noticed I'm using um, red onions. I've actually mixed both onions, the regular normal onions and the red ones. I like the red ones because they give really lovely flavor to your food, and I can't tell you how obsessed I am with them. I'm really, really obsessed. So now I am turning in my locust beans, aka Iru. You can use as much as you want, honestly. And next I'll be adding some salt. I am not particularly measuring, but I actually know when to stop. But you can add your salt to your taste. Up next is my Knorr, and I'm using the classic one. I'm not using the chicken one. I'm using the normal one. 2 cubes of that. And next I am adding my Maggi. I'm using the crayfish flavor. Again, you can't go wrong with crayfish when you're making vegetable soup. So next I'm adding some crayfish. And guys, you can't honestly add too much of this. You can add as much as you want. I'm just going in with a few scoops. And this was actually um, a gift from someone all the way from Nigeria, and I really do appreciate this. So next is my crayfish stock powder. This is another lovely stock you can add to your meals to give an amazing flavor. I do have the chicken one as well, but I'm not adding it in this dish. You might see that in another video. So as you can see, I am not exactly stirring this, and the reason why is because I like um my pepper to be. I just like for it to have a bit of texture. I don't like it really soft, and I've noticed they tend to go really soft when you stir too much. So my meat's going in, stirring lightly. Yeah. So guys, at this point, I'm turning my smoked mackerel in. And if you're wondering where I got this from How They. And really, guys, I have searched and searched for smoked fish for the longest time, but finally I was able to get some from How They. And I've noticed you can get from all the supermarkets, really, like main supermarkets, really. But I tend to like the ones from How They, not only because they are cheap, but they've got like less bone in them, and they just taste like the ones you buy from Africa, really, the ones you buy from Nigeria. And I'm just gonna add a couple of mackerel. Just mix, turn everything together lightly. You already know why. So right at this point, I think we can all agree that this sauce is too much for the vegetable I've got. So I'm just gonna keep a little bit of this in the freezer for rice, maybe whenever I want. I don't know. I'm just gonna. So you guys, just to let you know, you can also use this sauce without the vegetable to eat rice or to eat yam, potatoes, or boiled or fried plantain. It's really up to you. Same process, but without the vegetable, or with the vegetable, whichever way you prefer. So now I'm just gonna turn the spinach in, and by the way, guys, this is a whole bag of the spinach. I'm using full bag. So again, we just stir lightly. And at this point, what I normally do is turn off the heat completely or just turn it down. I don't want my spinach to be too soft. I like my vegetable with a bit of texture. Yep. So guys, if this has inspired you in any way, please let me know in comment section. And if there's anything you would add to yours, also feel free to comment down below. Let's talk. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please like this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Thank you. And this is the finished product. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cook. You never know. Right, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.